welcome to another art vlog. We are in Portugal at the MACAM. Okay guys, I think you remember one of my other art vlogs because my art vlogs are getting popular, okay? I tend to like art with certain color palettes. So as I walk into this gallery, I notice all the bright colors. You see? Portugal has, specifically Lisbon has a few contemporary art museums, and this is just one of them. Let's go. They have two galleries that host their permanent collection. Right now we are in their permanent collection that you can see permanently. You see how the curator puts all those bright colors together. And this room is also beautiful. Look at the brick ceilings. It's actually cool thus far to see, you know, contemporary art in another country. For some reason, I'll be liking stuff like this too. The gardens are magnificent. Okay guys, so this contemporary art museum is also like really beautiful. It's also a hotel too, but I would highly recommend this one. I'll put all the details because like I said before, Portugal has several contemporary art museums and the names are similar, so don't get confused. This is the MACAM. Will recommend. Peace.